So I have my cargo carrier that I'm gonna put on the back of my car here, and so I'm gonna unbox it and get it set up. Hello. Go lay down. Go. Go lay down. Go to your bed. Go to your bed. Good boy. Lay down. Alright, I got the cargo carrier pretty much all set up and good to go. So for my trailer hitch, it is a 1 1/4 inch receiver. So I had to get an adapter for it since the cargo carrier is a 2-inch tubing. I got this slid in. I'm gonna put my pin in. Cool, and now I can slide the carrier into the receiver. And then I can put in the last pin. Once I get the holes lined up. There we go. Sweet. Those are all in and good to go. And so this is pretty much how it will look sitting behind the car as I'm going down the road. So prior to actually loading any of it up, I'll adjust my dampeners in my rear shocks to be a little bit stiffer. That way it's not going to bottom out when it's under load. So hopefully this works out for what I need. And yeah, pretty much it. I'm sure eventually I'll get like an actual little trailer to pull behind the car. That way it makes it a little easier overall on the suspension, rather than just having pretty much just dead weight being hung off the back. Hopefully that way there's a little less wear and tear on the whole system itself. But that's pretty much it. Putting this cargo carrier together was pretty easy. That's basically it. If you haven't seen yet on putting in a trailer hitch system itself, I'll link that somewhere up the top. But other than that, thanks for sticking around. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.